Hey guys, Chris here, Raccoon Tactical. So today we have a Rosecraft Blades, rosecraftblades.com. I'll put a link down in the description um, as to how to get to this. And we are going to be doing the Rosecraft Mosquito Lake Moose. It's going to be number RCT 016. And yes, I have already had this out. And here, I know I'm going to be fingerprinting this thing up, so let me go ahead and just get my little cleaning cloth out here. So, bring it out. So this bad boy here, let's see. Pretty nice, double blade. Not necessarily my cup of tea, but it's got really beautiful. Let's see what. Get some information on this so I'm not just sitting here just stumbling over myself. So we have the handle material as vintage moss brown bone, and I have to say it's actually quite attractive. See some of the natural imperfections there, which is totally fine. Because this would be somebody's pocket beater, I would imagine. And for, let's see here, $63.99 is what they've got it on the website for. Um, I mean, you might be able to get it cheaper at one of your own local retailers. Um, so, let's see what we have. Let's get this. Oh, okay. So, right off the bat, that first blade, that is an interesting take on a drop point, I guess. That is a big old boy. Very nice. Let's see here. Yeah. Well, uh-huh. Uh-huh. There we go. That is just laser beam. Let me tell you guys. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I'll just keep a piece out here and we'll see what this walk and talk's like. Let me get it close to my mic. Oh, yeah. Now, it does have kind of a stronger pull to it. I'd say it's about a 6 on a scale of 1 to 10. Let's see what this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is more my speed. It's more my style. I do like a spear point. That is kind of my bread and butter. Love, love, love a spear point. Got D2 steel. Like your other slip joints you find with Rosecraft, Going to have nickel pins. And both of these blades, they're saying it's 2.8 inches. Honestly, give me just a second here, guys. Let me shuffle around, see if I can find me a measuring stick. Well, let's see here. So we got, I'm going to call that blade more of a 3 to a just over 3-inch blade. Well, as far as, sharpened area. Give it a little testy. Woohoo! Just as nice. And it's fingerprint magnet. Hoping it gets me. Let's see here. Really nice fit and finish here in the yeah, it's got the one-piece liner to bolsters. For you sharpening people out there. Yeah. See if I can, there we go. Got a decent little edge termination there for sharpening. Which D2, I mean, this stuff's going to hold up really, really well. Let's listen to this. Oh yeah, that's nice. Now this one does have a longer nail nick area, which I do like that. Now if they was to release this just in a spear point, I would totally take it. But enough about that, guys. So recently, the channel has managed to finally get over 200 subscribers, which I will be doing a separate video more on that. But as of right now, this right here is going to be one of the giveaway knives. So one of you guys will be getting this lovely little slip joint, and if slip joints aren't your cup of tea, well, we could probably work something out. I know for me, I'm just a lover of knives, so slip joints or something. Well, this is my modified chop 2 that I've been putting through the ringer here as of late. Yeah, I'm just a lover of knives. I've got the chop 2, I've got slip joints like this. I mean, I've just kind of out of the blue, got a Archangel from Cold Steel, Balisong. I'm just an all-around, I ain't gonna say a knife aficionado, but I'm no aficionado by any means. I'm not rich. I cannot afford $1,000+ knives. But I love the knives I do have. Anywho, I'm going off on a tangent, and I know y'all didn't come here to listen to me go off on some crazy tangent. Anywho, this right here will be a knife, or the knife. Let's put it that way. It'll be the knife for the 200 sub giveaway. Um, be sure to like, share this. You know, whatever we can get traffic back here to the channel would be great. Um, I know I've trying to put out more content here as of late, and well, Blade Show kind of wiped me, but let's yeah, let's keep it growing, guys, and be sure to that you're subscribed, turn on all your notification bell icons. I'm going to try to do at least a video a week. Some weeks I might do more. Just however my schedule might work around with that. And stay tuned. I'll be doing an entry video soon. Um, within the next couple of days, I would say. So I'm recording this on the 22nd of June. Uh, let's say by the 25th, I will have an entry video and I'll go over the rules and more details. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you next time.